Well, now I would like to show you about the human resource section, about staff modules and payrolls, how it will work. So first of all, we have to start with the department designation module to set up the basic data of department names and designation of staffs. Okay, when you finish the setup, then you can go for the add staff module, where you can add new staff with their staff ID, name and other information whatever is required. Okay, you have to assign the faculties. If this staff is teacher, then you have to assign these faculties, then he will able to these teachers will able to show her class routine and specifically and others data as well. Okay, here you can add the new staffs. After adding this new staff, you can check the list of new staff here, and you can send the password to this new staff on his email address. The password is automatically generated by the system, so you don't have to put it. Well, next thing is staff attendance. You can take a staff attendance by filter their roles and date. Here is the teacher list. You can check the attendance as present, absence, leave and holiday as well. So let's make him present and update the list. Okay, attendance is submitted. After that, you can check the report as well. Attendance report, teacher, September 2021. You can check the report of this teacher. Okay, here is the present and other information as well. Next thing is payroll. Depend on the attendance and present or absent, the system will create an payroll, calculate the information, then you have to generate the payroll. Okay, it said this teacher's payroll is still not generated, so you have to generate the payroll. Here is the basic information about the staffs, about the attendance information. So here you can see his basic salary and other information. If everything is okay, then you can click the generate payroll, or you can edit the data if you want, or you can write any note. Then click generate payroll button. Okay, payroll already generated. Then if you want to pay this employee or teacher or staff, then you can pay now button. Then select the payment method and which method you have paid him. I selected cash. Then click on pay now button. Okay, he's already paid. You can uncheck this or change the status as well if you want by clicking on this action and confirm it. Okay, if everything is okay, then go for payroll reports. You can check the payroll reports as well by selecting the teacher and the report month and year. Well, here is the report. How much is gross salary, net salary, and how much you paid and which method, etc., etc. So this is about the human resource. Now we are going to talk about the academic modules. In the academic modules, you already set up the faculties and sessions. Now you can also set up the batches, number of batches, like 47 batch, 48 batch, or 47 day batch, 47 evening batch, or something like that. Okay. Another thing you have to set up, that is semester. Then how many semester we have, like first semester in first year, second semester in first year, or maybe third semester in first year or second year, whatever. then you can create the sections as well. Also included the seat, you can keep it blank. This is not using right now, but I make this field for future purpose, nothing else. Next, classroom. You can create classrooms with classroom name in which floor and classroom capacity. Select type, this is a theory class or laboratory class, whatever. And you have to assign the faculty for which faculties this classroom will be used. Well, then go for the subject. Here you will be check the subject list, or you can add or edit the subjects. Here you have to store the subject information, subject title, subject code, credit hour, and others information, subject type, class type, and assign the faculties. You have to check those faculties, which faculty included with this subject. I mean, which faculty student will have to read this subject. Let us see. Then you have to create some class times. You can create some class times for make class routine as well. So you can check the previous class times as well. I just created 2. First period, start time, in time, whatever. You can add new class times for any session or any faculties. Period name, start time, in time. You can add many rows as much as you want, or you can remove those. Okay, next thing is class routine. Okay, now you will able to make a class routine after set up all of these modules. So let's decide for which session and which faculty and which semester and section you want to create a class routine. Select those, then check the create button. Sorry. After that, select the subject, select the teachers, which teachers will take this class, select the classroom, select the period of class, and select the days as well, Saturday, Sunday, or any day, whatever you want. And you can add rows as much as you want and store the data. Okay, after finishing all those information, you have to save this data. You can check the old class routine as well. I think this session have not any class routine yet. Okay, I found this one. No class routine set up yet. Okay, this one have some data. Okay, you can edit it or delete it in future if you want. Okay, next thing is teachers routine. If you are a teachers, if you log in as a teachers, then you can check your own routine by filtering those data. If this system assign you for teaching any subject, then you will see this data in here. Otherwise, that will show as blank. Next thing we want to discuss, that is about the library model. Okay, let's talk about the library model and how it's work. In library models, you have to create book categories as your first task. I have created a category called magazine. After that, you can add books by various categories with those data. When you finish the book module, then you can go for issue and return to the student. You can issue any books to their student by selecting those data, book name, student name, then issue date or return date. You can change the date, then issue it. Okay, this data is showing as issued. If the student return the book, then you can click on this return button, then change the date if you want, then click on return to confirm it. Okay, the book is returned. The issue and return step also work as similar as the student issue and return. Also, you can check the return period offer list. Whoever the student or staff might be not return the book on the return time on time, so those lists will be showing there as a delay list. Okay, you also can check the library members, all of the staffs and students. You can view their personal profiles. Here you will able to show the how many books he had taken and which books he had returned or not. Okay, that's it from the library module. Now we can talk about the fish collection module little bit more. How you can collect the fish from a student. I'm going to talk about the fish collection modules, how those things are works. So first of all, you have to create some category for which purpose you want to take the fish, like semester fish, admission fish, or exam fish maybe. Then you have to create some discount if you want to give this discount to the students. And then you have to make a title of this discount, then type here the amount for it, as it percentage or fix it. Also have to select a category for which category purpose this discount will be available. Okay, let's go for Fish Master. Fish Master is a module where you can set fish for those students. Okay, add new Fish Master. Here you have to select the session, faculties and semester, also the fish type for which session and faculties you want to assign this fish called semester fish, and also you have to enter the other data like amount and fine amount, due date, etc, etc. So if you want to assign a fish like 600 for all faculties and all semester, then you have to select the all options. Or if you want to check the fish or assign the fish only for the computer science and only for the first semester or second semester, then you have to select those options as well. Okay, you can check that I had added a fish for all session, all faculties and all semester as a semester fish. Okay, after that you can add discount for various students as well. You can go with discount master. Here you will able to add discount for all students, similar like Fish Master, all faculties or all semester, or specific faculties or specific semester. We have to select the fish type for which fish this discount will be assigned, and you have to select the wafer. You have to select the discount, then you have to save it. Okay, as I had saved on discount masters. Okay, for all session, all faculty, all semester. For say fish type semester fee, the discount will be given 10% wafer for all students. Okay. Okay, let's collect the fish from student list. Go for collect fish module. Here you can see that the list of fishes. You can filter that by session, faculty, semester or category, also by the registration number. And then here you can see the all information about the students and the fish, about the discount, total amount, fine amount, etc., etc. If the due date is over, then student will have to pay the fine amount. Okay, now you can click on collect fish. Then you will able to see the other data as well. It looks like the due date is over, so this student will have to pay the fine amount as well. The system will calculate the information. Then just you have to select the payment method, then check on receipt. Okay, the fish already paid. Now you can check the report as well on fish reports. Okay, here you can see the fish reports. The status called paid. You can make it unpaid by confirm the action if you want. Well, or you can collect a quick receipt. I mean, if you want to collect a specific fish from a specific student, then you can do it by this module. Also, here is a quick discount module. You can use it for give any specific student for any specific discount by selecting those data, for this student in which session and which semester you want to give a discount for which type of fish. Then you can save it. Okay, that's it from this video. I will make another video for a student module to understand about the basic data and information with proper actions. Thank you.